Every single morning, same story. Alarm goes off, you stare at the ceiling, you tell yourself today is the day you finally train your core. Then, your bed pulls you back like it has a personal grudge against your gains. And just like that, day 47 of starting tomorrow. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You don't need more motivation. You need a routine so short, so simple, that skipping it actually takes more effort than doing it. 3 moves, 10 minutes, every morning. That's the whole plan. And by the end of this video, you'll have 0 excuses left. Why most people never build abs. It's not laziness, it's overwhelm. You see 45-minute core routines with 12 exercises and fancy equipment, and your brain quietly decides, not today. So you do nothing. Again, the secret to abs that actually show up? Consistency beats intensity every single time. 10 minutes daily will always beat an hour once a week. Always. This routine hits your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques, the full core, in one clean sequence. No gym, no gear, just floor space and the decision to show up. Let's get into it. Move 1. Full body crunch. Lie flat on your back. Arms extended overhead, legs straight out, everything long. Now crunch everything in at once. Knees toward your chest, arms reaching forward to meet them. Then, extend back out slowly and controlled. You are firing your upper and lower abs simultaneously with every single rep. That's the efficiency you need when time is limited. Key points. Keep your head neutral, don't pull your neck forward, and squeeze your core hard at the peak of every rep. Controlled on the way out. Don't just drop back down. Target. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest 20 seconds between sets. If your abs aren't working by set 2, you're going too fast. Slow it down and feel every rep. Move 2. Core hold series. This is where things get real. 3 positions, back to back. No rest between them. 30 seconds each. Position 1. Low leg hold. Lie on your back. Hands flat under your lower back for support. Legs straight and lifted just a few inches off the ground. Hold. Breathe. Don't let your heels touch down. Position 2. Hollow hold. Same position, but now extend your arms overhead. Your whole body forms a shallow curve. Shoulders off the ground, legs low, core absolutely switched on. This position is simple to understand and brutal to maintain. That's the point. Position 3. Leg flutters. From that same hollow position, alternate small, quick kicks up and down. Tiny range, fast tempo, everything stays tight. 90 seconds total. No breaks in between. This sequence builds the deep stabilizing muscles that make your abs look defined even when you're just standing still. Move 3. Side plank with hip dips. Your obliques are not decoration. They are the muscles that hold your entire midsection together. Posture, rotation, stability. Train them or regret it. Get into a side plank. Elbow directly under your shoulder, feet stacked, body in a straight line from head to heel. Now slowly lower your hip toward the ground and drive it back up. Controlled down, powerful up. No collapsing, no rushing. Target. 30 to 45 seconds each side. You'll feel a slow build on the side of your core. That's not discomfort. That's exactly where the work is happening. Stay in the line. No sagging at the hips, no rotating forward. Switch sides and repeat. That's the full routine. 3 moves, 1 round, under 10 minutes. Here's what I want you to do. Commit to 7 days straight. Not 7 days whenever you feel like it. 7 consecutive mornings. Your core will tighten, your posture will improve, and you'll finally stop making promises to yourself you don't keep. If you're taking the challenge, drop a number 1 in the comments right now. Tag someone who needs to stop skipping core day. And if this is the kind of content that actually makes you move, subscribe.